Filipino mindset. Pag manahimik ka, guilty ka. Kapag sumagot ka, ma-attitude ka. Kapag magpaliwanag ka, daming dahilan. Kapag sinagot mo, bastos ka. Kapag nag-sorry ka, pakitang tao ha. Kapag pinatulan mo, masama ka. Hay! Wala kang lulugaran.
You know what? The best thing you learn from the worst time of your life is that you get to see the true colors of everyone around you. Sabi nga nila, sa panahon ng kasiyahan, ang dami mong kaibigan. Pero sa panahon ng kagipitan, sobrang swerte mo na kung may isang matira upang samahan kang lumaban. This situation will really teach you the real meaning of life. But do not be depressed if they refuses to help you. Do not be sad if they ignore you. Tumayo ka at gawing sandala ng Panginoon.